Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amolo and welcome back to a new vlog. Yeah, so today is on Saturday. I was in town earlier on in the day. I didn't vlog because town is always chaotic, so I didn't vlog, but I had a couple of errands that I did and I got myself something, so I want to share with you guys what I got. I also got new scents, so yeah. So the first thing I got is a new work bag. So this is it. I don't know why I feel like it's so small compared to the one I used to have. I'll start a picture of the one that I used to have. It was like a brown over here, and I feel like this black one, it's so tiny. It's because I haven't carried the other one for a very long time, but I don't know. Yeah, so I got this bag, then passed by my usual place for scents and got new scents. So last time I got the pistachio. I've restocked it again. I really loved it, so I've restocked it. Then I was able to get the marshmallow. I think it has similar scents. I don't know. I feel the scents, they smell the same. I feel they smell the same. Yeah. So this other one is pistachio. And that. Then I got this. It's a tiny version of camera. It's just a trial. Like for me, I love trying out these small scents before I get the bigger bottle. It has some cinnamon type of going on. So I got those 3 scents. Then I passed by Sunrays, the one in Dubois, and I got this hair oil for my hair and for my scalp. It's a growth stimulator from Mikala. I really love Mikala products, so I got this. And then I also got this. I got it at Pure Home Finds. It's at Dynamic Mall. Is it? Yeah. No, if it's not Dynamic, it's Beaver. I will confirm first. Yeah, so I got this for cleaning, like at the sink and the tiles. So yeah, at least now I can do the cleaning at the sink and tiles very well. Yeah. Then in town I had something to print, so this is it. It's my birthday magazine. This is how it looks inside. Yeah, so I got it printed. Actually, it was so affordable. Let me know, you guys, if you want me to plug you where I got it, because I've seen like most pages on TikTok, they're charging like this for 1,000, and for me, I created it using a template from Canva. I only used 100 shillings. 100 shillings to print it out, because the printing was 80 and then the envelope was 20, so I only used 100. Yeah. So I'll catch up with you guys later on.
I'm a better version of me. Yeah, I'm gonna get up early. When I wake up, won't check my phone just to see if you're alone. All my friends think that I'm happy. My words say that I'm ready for something new. I'm over where my heart was, and out from under you. I say all of these things, I swear they couldn't be more true. All my life, oh my actions say otherwise.
Hey guys, another day, another continuation of this vlog. So I was outside from picking this from my sister. The day I went to town, I did a thrift at bus station, but left the clothes at home for them to be washed. So here I just want to do a quick thrift haul. I'll try on the dresses and then show and insert like a video of them over here of me trying them on. Yeah. So the first dress I got is this dress. Yeah.
Got my headphones in at sunset. I keep going back where we met again and again. Tunnel vision, rooftop bar. No one shotgun in my car. I'm not letting go of you yet.
It's Sophia man. Then the next one I got this dress. It's so cute, you'll see it on me. It's so cute, good for dinner date, like, and it's Shane, whichever. Yeah, it's so cute. It has this slit over here. I'll insert a picture of me trying them on so that you can see.
Got my headphones in at sunset. I keep going back where we met again and again. Tunnel vision, rooftop bar. No one shotgun in my car. I'm not letting go of you yet. My words say that I'm ready for something new. I'm over where my heart was, and
then the next one, I got this other dress.
Yeah, from under you. I say all of these things, I swear they couldn't be more true. All my life, oh my actions say otherwise.
That one is for lounging at home. Then this other one, it's giving like sundress vibe, but it's not sundress. Yeah. I am thinking of taking it to the fundi so that I can insert a slit over here, but I'll see about that. Yeah, so that's the dress. The tops are still yet to dry, so I'll do it in the next clips of this video or later on in this video. Yeah.
All of the pieces fit. You are the one with my full attention. I think you were made for me. Yeah, you're definitely made for me. Definitely made for me. You got my mind running wild ever since I first tried it. Ooh, did you know that I would like it so much? I don't wanna fight it. I don't wanna fight it. Keep me to yourself, 'cause I'm in full submission to show you you don't need no one else. No, yes, you're perfect. I can't even lie. Throwing up my hands, I'm letting go of pride. I swear I love falling in love with you, baby.
Believe me when I hurt ya. I don't ever let your friends ya. Number one, you really know now. Can I be everything broke down? Me the butter. Me and Virgin go so far. We on the road, I'ma be my ride or die. For your matter, me go take pride. You know go walk, you go take bike. And when the money come, we go take flight. Row your boat now. For your matter, me go take pride. You know go walk, you go take bike. And when the money come, we go take flight. The way that you light me up, I cannot deny. Darling, the stars for your eyes, they shine. The way with me, I did like. You're my silver lining. When my world be crumbling, when other girls be shuffling, you hold me down for real. I want you to give me ginger, yeah. That's why me know this, yeah, you to give me ginger, yeah. Me I know this, Me on the road, I'ma be my ride or die, yeah. For your matter, me go take pride. You know go walk, you go take bike. And when the money come, you go take flight. Yeah, go roll your boat now. For your matter, me go take pride. You know go waka, you go take bike. And when the money come, you go take flight. From the night till the morning, I just wanna be in touch with you. And when money come, I just wanna ball alone with you. We on the road, I'ma be my ride or die. Yeah. For your matter, we go take pride. You don't go waka, you go take bike. And when the money come, you go take flight. Yeah, roll your boat now. For your matter, we go take pride. You don't go waka, you go take bike. And when the money come, you go take flight. Yeah, roll your boat now. For your matter, we go take pride. You know go waka, you go take bike. And when the money come, you go take flight.
I had this dream that we jump in the car, we flip a coin or we follow the brightest star. We'll leave it all behind. Yeah, and I'll just follow your heart. Since we found each other, we'll never get lost. There are no wrong turns when we're together. There are no wrong turns. You'll miss the exit and I'll just laugh. You'll drop slow and I'll keep talking fast. Faster than your ears can listen. Nothing out there that we're missing anyhow. I'll just follow your heart. Since we found each other, we'll never get lost. There are no wrong turns when we're together. There are no wrong turns. Ride with you forever. When I'm with you, the road never ends. As long as there's love left to burn. You're falling asleep with a smile on your face and the passenger seat, so I don't wanna wake you to ask where we're going. So I keep driving on. I ain't sleeping, just thinking again and again how good it feels to trust the wheel in your hands. Your eyes are my compass, without even knowing the way. I know we'll find it, 'cause with you I know there are no wrong turns. When we're together, there are no wrong turns. Ride with you forever. When I'm with you, the road never ends. There are no wrong turns. When we're together, we'll live in the moment like it's all we know. We got all the time in the world. There are no wrong turns. I had this dream that we jump in the car, we flip a coin or we follow the brightest star. We'll leave it all behind. Yeah, and I'll just follow your heart.
Hey guys, I want to close up this vlog right here. I've done the cleaning of the house. Like, I just want to gist you a little bit. Like, you guys know, anytime I'm bringing something new into my house, I have to clean like my whole house. I believe like I have to clean, remove any energy, and let's just start afresh with good energy, so that anything that is coming into my house is stepping into my house with a blessing. Yeah, so you'll understand more in the next vlog. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I just want to freshen up and just wait for their call. Yeah, so to be able to know what's happening in the next vlog, stay tuned. Turn on post notifications so that you'll be notified of the next video, because the next video is an interesting video. I'm so happy. I can't explain it all. I'm so happy. I'm from talking with my friend because I woke up today having second thoughts of my purchase, but right now I'm so happy because I've gotten the clarity that I needed, and I just want to end this vlog, so I'll meet you guys in my next video. I'll meet you guys in my next video. You'll understand my excitement. Yeah, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notification as usual, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Yeah.